Hello friends and welcome back. Till now I have created my table and also created my database. So when you opt, this is my SQL editor where you can see the query. Now if we are going to run this query, it will run it. So this is the simple query SQL query for creating table if not exist yt population population table. The YT population is the database name and the YT population table is my table name. There's two database, default and YT population. In YT population table, you will find one table which I have created using this query. Now, instead of write to and run the query, it will create another table. As you can see, it created another table. So if you want to delete or preview or store properties, you can delete from here in GUI mode, or you can either use SQL query to do this. Okay, so now I'm going to, as you can see, this query for dropping the table. Now I'm going to create another table using this S3 bucket data. So here I'm going to choose this YT population which I've already created the database, and now the table name which I'm going to choose is YT population, and write to table and 2 here for second. Now open any of the folder and open the dataset and copy the link. It is similar the way which I have done in my previous video. Now write S3 and column, remove this aws.com https and this file name also because we didn't require this, and this https s3 aws.com. Okay, now click on next. Now click on CSV and click on next. Now copy this whole thing because we will require in the next step when we require to add columns into it. So I'm going to choose this bulk add column, again opting to choose the same thing, write int string, time is int, age group string, and copy the string and paste it over age group start and age group span, and this population male, this is int, and population female, this is again int, and for population total this is again int. In this way I have added the all the columns. Now click on next, partition is not required. Now click on create table and it will create a table. So now two tables is created right now of two different data sets. So now if you want to add more data sets, you have to opt the same thing. Just write error here and instead of 2 write 3 and run the query. In this way I have successfully added 3 tables into my database. Actually and this is showing the default database, there is no tables here. In YT population there's 3 tables created right there, which I have done from 2 with GUI mode and another last one with SQL query mode. Now you can also save this query. Click on save as and write the name for your query like DDL2 or 1, anything like that, and it will save the query. Now you can use this query from this saved query option. If you by mistakenly delete that query or you forget the query which you have run previously, so you can get it from here from this saved query option. There is one backup from here, and if you want to delete this query you can delete it from here and search the query from here. Okay, click on delete. In history there will be another backup of this query, So if you forget to save it also, but you will get the query detail from in this history option also. So in this way, you can create a table, save the query, and look out the histories of that query you have run on Athena.